Alright guys, peoples, as you can see, things are not right with this tire.
At least you made it home.
Yeah, surprise.
Yeah.
Very surprised. So I'm going to take this booger off, find out what exactly is going on. My ABS light is coming on. My anti-lock brake light.
Yeah.
And probably because his brakes are going nuts over here when it's flopping around. Your brake. Wheel bearing.
Is it a wheel bearing?
Yeah, wheel bearing came off, broke.
Did you have a lifetime warranty?
Taking the caliper assembly all loose. I got the caliper off. This is the brace that they put on here. It's a two-piece. A lot of cars, smaller cars, only have one piece. You just take the caliper off, that's it. The caliper actually holds the rotor and everything in place. This one has a separate bracket. Right here. And all the busted up pieces of fucking nothingness. That's terrible. It blew out that bad.
And you just bought
See
it?
the camera. I'll just light come on. You guys, yeah, that's my wheel bearing that was just replaced. What, last fall? Well, it's definitely I guess it's called the hub assembly with the wheel bearing. That's the whole assembly. You can't just buy the wheel bearing. It's literally completely just came apart. The bearings, everything just flew right out of it, bursted. And the part is, that's not even a year old. It's practically new. Damn shame. Kind of just goes to show, you know, the products we buy now. Kind of makes you think that the products that we buy these days, you know, what true value do they have? I mean, when your vehicle, you buy a part that's for your suspension that holds your tire on an axis, you know, to wear out in less than a year. And it's not cheap. It's an $80 part. It might even be more than that now. It might be $100 some now. So Alright, ratchet. think it's the door, Richard.
What?
In the front seat on the floor, so ratchet.
I ain't gonna use this yet?
Oh, there it is. Where's the stuff? Oh, it's on it.
Oh, behind here.
Oh, that's this one.